Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn all about static electricity through a fun experiment. Let's get started. Materials: a balloon, a wool sweater or a piece of wool fabric. Instructions: blow up the balloon and tie it tightly. Rub the balloon continuously against the wool sweater or fabric. Bring the balloon close to your hair. Watch as your hair stands on end. What is static electricity? Static electricity is a buildup of electric charge on the surface of objects. This charge can be positive or negative. When two objects with different charges come close to each other, they attract. This attraction is what makes your hair stand on end when you rub a balloon on it. How does it work in this experiment? Electron transfer: when you rub the balloon against the wool, electrons, tiny particles with a negative charge, are transferred from the wool to the balloon. Charge buildup: the balloon now has an excess of electrons, giving it a negative charge. Attraction: your hair, on the other hand, becomes positively charged due to the loss of electrons. Hair-raising effect: opposite charges attract. So, the negatively charged balloon attracts the positively charged hairs, causing them to stand upright. By understanding this process, you can know the fascinating world of static electricity and conduct many other fun experiments. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned: in static electricity, objects transfer electrons, creating opposite charges that attract, as seen when a balloon makes hair stand on end due to the fascinating interplay of positive and negative charges. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.